Alright, today on Clark's Place we're going to show, these are the quarter extensions for Pop's Daytona and my 69 Charger. You can see all this Duraglass that's in there. I don't know if you can make out the little line. I had to cut in mine in order to get, this was too high. It came more up on the quarter and I had to bring it down.
Bring the camera over here because I'll show you how it looks, because mine's still open. This is mine. Brand new quarter. Put it in the holes and you line up this side, the top here, and see how tall it is.
Yeah, I see.
So you can put, I took this,
you ground your same spot.
I ground it through just like he has done on his, because he had the same problem. And when you push this together, you don't want to cut it all the way through. And now that brings this down to where they're
nice custom fit.
Nice cut. I might still take just a touch more off, and then I'm going to have to hold it. And I know this is like a,
is it pot metal or
pot metal, galvan? I don't know what it is, but we're going to try to squeeze it. And if he could just put a dot there with the welder, if it would hold, then
yeah, that's kind of the experiment. Is I didn't do any. You can see
the welding
on both of mine. I think both of them. I think both of them I cut in order to get my perfect fit on mine, and I had to put a little backer in the back of that because I think it was
cracked.
I think it was split right there too. But now mine fit perfect. I'll show you my fitment over there.
Okay, there's what you probably did.
Oh yeah, yours is cracked too.
Just the way the mold must crack it.
I think that's,
I don't know that
must
matters.
have been what I swiped in behind and then put a little over the top to finish it.
And this one, you can see it's got a, it's gouged out. That's from the factory. That's like in the mold because
it looks like maybe this was bumped and maybe that pushed this metal away from this metal. Since that's thicker, it might have just barely split that top edge.
Yep.
I think that makes a difference. Probably get that okay.
This side seems to fit fine, so I'm not going to mess with it.
Oh, really? Okay, cool.
Yeah. So,
well, bring yours, and we'll test them on the back of mine over here, because I kind of custom fit mine to this car. So when this goes on there, it's just about perfect all the way around.
Yeah, it is. Here, look at that. That's really nice.
It might be a, nope, that's just an optical conclusion there.
Yep.
It just, yeah, that all looks and feels nice. I probably need to finish that edge a little more, but.
See if mine, it probably won't fit the same because.
Yeah,
oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah, that's way off. Is it because my holes are different?
No.
I bet you if you wallered this hole out down there, that could go in better. It seems like it's hitting on the spikes.
Yeah, that doesn't make sense. Because you've got more buildup in yours than mine.
Yeah, but maybe my spike sticking out stud is a little different than yours.
Oh yeah, I guess it could be.
Or tweaked a little different. Yours might be angled down and mine might be angled up a little.
But as far as
that's radically off.
But this all fits, that fits, it's just that won't go in.
I see.
Oh, I think this is hitting here.
Oh.
Yeah.
It looks like that sticks out farther than this edge. So maybe, depending on the quarter, that could be beat in farther. Well, mine looks about the same on there.
You've got threads in yours. I've got the original ones.
Oh, that's true, because I had to, my spikes, my studs were broken off, so I had to put new. So those skinny little ones go in and allow for some more adjustment.
Yeah. Good.
So
that's one way. Instead of trying to put Bondo and to come up and match this, then you got to bring your trunk up to match that. You can just slice. I don't know if it's just the AMD quarters or whoever you get quarters from. I think that's where these are from.
Yeah, mine were AMD. I'm almost positive these were AMD on the Daytona too.
So maybe it's just a little bit off, but you can adjust those.
All right, so we'll cut to trying to weld those.
Okay.
It could be a complete catastrophe. You got an extra set of these, right?
I do.
Okay, we'll have to shape those next when I blow these up.
I know. Okay,
right.
we're gonna try to weld this. I'm gonna hold it.
Can you see it's in the
Looks
camera?
like it's in the frame.
All right, can you hold it tight?
Yep.
Let me cut this off.
Okay. We've got it set to 24 gauge, the lowest setting on his miller. And we don't want to blow anything out. Who knows what'll happen.
I actually don't know what's gonna happen here. Got the gas on.
Yep.
Did it burn through it, or
No.
it didn't hold it? So
I don't know. It looks like it burned a hole. Yeah, it burned a hole.
is it a bigger hole now, or can I?
Yeah, it's a bigger hole.
Well, let me try one more time.
Sounds good.
I don't know if it's gonna hold though.
Okay.
Let go of it.
Nope.
It's just.
Can't well.
I think I'm arcing on the piece that bubbled up on it,
Yeah.
but that'll probably just knock right off.
Probably. Okay. Well, we just got to use glass on it then.
You mean to try? See if you can pick that booger off.
It won't pick off.
Oh, here, try this. Yeah, it just peels right off. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so no welding on these.
Not that big of a hole, but
You may
Yeah.
try a little more.
well, I guess we can.
Give me some.
Glasses.
Yeah, I want to.
Yeah, just see if it fill that hole in a little bit.
I don't think it's gonna go because we're putting steel onto pot metal. I think the only reason it was arcing like it was gonna weld was it was on the other steel that I put on there.
What is this stuff?
That's just to keep it from balling up inside here. That doesn't do anything.
Well, I was thinking that this was a.
Keeps it from going everywhere. So if you wanted to smear a little on both sides.
That's what I was thinking. That maybe this. I can't think of the word. Flux.
No, it's not. I don't think it's flux. It's what I dipped this in to.
I know it. Okay, we'll see.
Did you put it all over it?
Just to where you're going to do it.
No, it didn't go. Now it won't stick at all.
It won't stick at all.
I mean, I can try it, but
I think it's
that coats the inside of this, so nothing sticks to it. So
okay. Well, if it doesn't stick, it doesn't stick.
I'll cut that off again.
Boy, you need a new cutter.
I just had it. Well, I don't know.
There you go.
That bubble that weld just moved out of the way. It won't stick to that, Pop.
Nope, it's not going to stick. Yeah, it just keeps coming apart. So we will.
I think I like rubber banded mine from here to here, holding it,
Yeah.
and then Duraglassed,
Yeah.
and did something. I don't know.
So okay, I know there's probably some rod or something that you can do this. I mean, I know this is
I'm gonna do a little research and then we'll
since I was
update
real
this
young,
video later.
You couldn't weld pot metal, but
Maybe there's a rod that you can.
I
I have the spooler with the aluminum, but I don't know if that's aluminum.
I mean, I know it's not magnetic, right?
I don't know.
You have a magnet?
Yeah, grab a magnet.
I don't think it's magnetic, so, but I don't know if
Where's your magnetic bar?
Oh, it's right there on the car. So,
Survey says,
no magnet.
wonder if it's aluminum, that I could just pop aluminum into it.
Possibly.
All right, back in a sec. We're gonna try the aluminum spooler. We've never used it. All right, so we're guessing that this is aluminum. We're not sure. And so we hooked up the Spoolmate 150. And if you want to see how that goes on your Miller-Matic 215, this is the first time I've used it. As soon as I hooked it up, it says spool gun on it right there. And I just cut the line here, put that back onto itself, pulled the MIG out, and then shoved this in, shoved that in, and somehow when you pull the trigger, it sounds like there's air coming through.
I think it's gas here.
Gas comes through that
Yeah, because
4-pin deal.
yeah, if you look at your other one,
That little connector.
2 of the holes are just holes. Probably the gas must run through this tube.
Okay. I thought it looked like that one had 4 pins, but maybe I didn't look at it close enough. So we're gonna try.
Here's the spooler.
We're gonna try. Oh, let me see if I can film you. Okay. We're gonna see if this aluminum works.
Where's your gloves?
Oh yeah, it gets. I don't think my hands will be anywhere near it. You're probably the one that needs gloves more than me.
Oh, I see. Well, I got gloves on.
I got my spool gun. It's not like a MIG.
No, I know.
So, okay, it's
I'm
going.
gonna hold it together again. Oh, no ground.
Oh, yeah, get a ground. We got no spark. All right, let me cut this end off again. Got too big of gloves.
I know it. Yeah, we've got, should have spark. I know it's a much smaller arc.
It's just caking up on that too. You see that?
I see. I wonder if we could turn it up.
I could try. Alright, it's on 18 gauge.
Sounds better.
I think it's just kind of arcing and flaking off of it. I'm just putting a bigger hole in it right there.
Yeah, it's not doing anything. Okay, well,
So the aluminum gun will not do
we
it.
just found out you can't do it with the aluminum gun.
So, we're going to squeeze it together, put fiberglass.
Yeah.
Fiberglass is going to have to hold it.
Yep.
And clean all that up. If you know how to weld it, we would be interested. So let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching our failure. And with that, good night, children.
That's right, we got
anything else?
Oh, we just gotta clean this up a little bit. This is the perfect tool for it.
New favorite Milwaukee tool.
Gets in all the hard places. Actually, they're using this to do the tops of spot welds.
I saw that on.
Goes all the way through, and you're not.
It's pretty neat.
Yeah, it is. Okay, we're dumb. You people that know
Last
these things
look.
know that there's no gas flows through here.
If you look, there's where this seals inside the machine.
Yeah.
There's 2 rubber gaskets, rubber rings, and then there's holes all the way around. So the air must flow in through there.
And
Gas goes in and then comes out the end of the gun.
We didn't realize it till we pulled it out. It's like, That's where the gas goes.
Very cool.
That's all right. We live and learn. All right. We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.